see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
What are you doing?
Oh, get in!
Naglalaro na sila ng Spider-Man.
Oh, yes!
Are you liking it, Zach? Baba?
Skip! Skip!
Hindi niya ako pinapansin. Focus siya. Do you like it?
Yes, jump down, Zach!
Zachy boy, I'm asking.
Boy, jump down!
Baba! Focus siya, oh. Zach, do you like it?
Yes!
Yes. Ayan. Sabi ko, tulungan nila ako maglinis. Ayan sila, oh. Si Kuya magbabacuum. Yes?
Can you come with me for me now?
Why?
Because...
What did you do again? Ano ang ginawa mo?
Did you fix that?
I don't know how to fix this.
You see that hole at the top? That's how you put it?
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Okay. Hi, guys. Huh?
Why did you fix the towel? She never. No, I'm doing vacuum. No, you never fix the towel. I never. Don't open it. I never.
You help each other, huh? Mommy will cook, huh?
I want to have a look at my birthday towel. Why are we not allowed to touch it?
Later. Hi, guys.
Hi,
What's
Hello.
that? Hello.
Hello, guys. It's my birthday. Look how many big I am.
How big you are.
big.
Guys, naligo na ako and naglagay lang ako ng kilay tsaka lip tint tapos moisturizer. Magluluto na tayo ng spaghetti. Lamington bite. So yeah, ipe-prepare ko lang yung spaghetti. Ito yung caldera. Kuya, wait! I'm talking, Kuya, wait! Nag-vacuum na siya doon. Wait lang. Ito yung kaldereta. Kagabi pa siya nakasalang. Ayun o, bumubula-bula. Kumukulo-kulo pa siya. And, yeah, wait, Kuya. Huwag yun ang pansin ito. Naglagay ako ng drying lotion ng Mario Badescu kasi may breakout ako dyan. Oh, para mag-dry siya. So, yeah, ipe-prepare na natin yung spaghetti. Ang gagamitin ko, mix na chicken at saka pork. Kasi, stop. Kasi ano, yung mother-in-law ko, hindi siya kumakain ng beef. So, para makakain lahat. So, yun. Gawin na natin ito. Tapos, hindi ko pa alam kung ano. Tapos, plano ko mag-leche flan.
Can I pop up the balloon?
So, we'll see kung makakagawa tayo ng leche flan. Huh? No. Where's the thing? Where's the pump?
I'm doing that.
Okay, can you pump the balloons? So, magawa sila ng balloons. Pump balloons, please. Only 5 each, okay? His turn first.
Then mine.
And then your turn. Okay.
I'm shooting at the 2 balloons.
Just this one.
Oh, one red. What are we gonna do with the color one?
No, the red first. Okay?
Then that one?
Yeah, later. Sige. Ayun na sila. Not here. In baby's room. And no fighting, ha? I don't wanna hear anything screaming or yelling. Magawa na muna ako ng leche flan. Kasi ibabubble bath ko siya. Oh, gusto niya naman umakyat dito. Alauna na, no, 12:30 na. Don't touch anything, ha? I just said don't touch anything. So, don't touch, ha?
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Usually, pag nagagawa ko ng leche plan, yung white eggs, ginagawa ko siya ng pavlova, pero not this time kasi wala na akong oras. Holly, don't move, Holly.
She wants to come with me.
Dito si Mom and Dad. Binigyan si Zach ng $50 ni Dad. Hindi na ako masyado nakapag-vlog habang nagluluto ako kasi nga nandito yung yung parents-in-law. So anyway, gumagawa pala ako ng puto. Ayan. Tapos ito yung spaghetti. Ayan, spaghetti. Caldereta. Ito yung leche flan. Tapos yung pies and pies and ayan si boss. Meron din tayong gagawa pa ako ng nuggets. Ibe-bake ko lang tong nuggets na to. Tapos ina-arrange ko na yung table. Ayan. Siguro maglagay ako ng balloons kung may time pa. So balikan ko kayo mamaya. Sak!
Hello, Dad. Hi, Dad.
Like it?
Yes. Hey, Mom, look this. Mom, I'm trying to shake the chairs. That one.
What happened, Ollie?
No.
Huh?
No.
Nakagawa ko ng balloons. Ayan, nilagay ko lang pa. Hi guys, it is a balloon. Do you like it, Zach? Don't do that because it might fall. So, ayan.
The box. Mom. What?
Spider-Man game. Ayan.
Look at ASL.
Yeah.
Look at my spider things. Look at my spider things.
Yeah. Who gave that to you?
Mom.
Mom.
Ollie.
Ito yung cake ni Zach. Ooh.
Wait, I want to see the cat.
No, wait.
Oh, is it bubbly?
No, it's not. Don't touch. Ito yung...
It's not Spider-Man. It's Spider-Man.
Ha?
It's supposed to be Spider-Man.
Yeah, I will put this,
Which one is it?
the picture. Ayan yung cake ni Zach. Ilalagay ko yung topper na na
This
Spider-Man. Kunin ko. Ayan, ilalagay ko yan sa
See, I
dito.
like it.
dito sa cake niya. Kasi, hindi nila nilagay kasi mag-bubble daw. So, kaya, yan. Lagay muna natin to dito sa cake ni Zach. Sana malagay ko siya ng maayos.
Hello, guys.
Sabi niya, ilagay lang.
Oh, just like that.
Yeah, just like that.
What a Spider-Man wasn't what?
Oh.
He ate that? He ate that?
I don't know, maybe.
Have it ate. Ate it maybe. That I like that type Mom.
Do you?
Yeah. I like that Spider-Man.
You like the Spider-Man? So, ayan na. Nalagay na natin, guys. Ito. Napunit siyang konti. So, ayan na yung cake. Nalagay ko na yung topper na Spider-Man. So, ayan. Yung puto, guys, hindi na umabot. Buti may tira pa kasi si Saksha kasi TJ, kinain na nila. Kaya konti na lang. Meron pang konti doon na linuluto.
Hello, guys, Mom. Can you give me this bottle bin?
Yeah, later when we eat.
Eat it.
Not yet.
Wow.
Finally, you're here.
Hey, I've done good. Mate.
What? Did you win?
Oh, what's the matter?
Wow, can you tip
Well,
this?
can you?
It's full.
Ayan na siya, dumating na yung golfer ko.
Hello, sweetie pie. Well, didn't hang around. Why was all the water though?
Oh, from the
I
puto.
didn't hang around because I had to come home. We've got a good chance.
You think so?
Yeah.
Sa kusina pa rin ako. Ano? Is it you?
I was changing nappy.
Whatever. Tingnan yung luto niya. Inutusan ko. Tingnan nyo. Sinunog niya pa. Tulong din naman. Sinunog niya pa. Oh. Nanunod ng puri. Hinintay na lang namin yung ano. Okay. Yung aming bisita na sila. Kobe, Sophie, and Mom and Dad. Tapos, what are you doing? Huh?
We're skating.
What are you doing, Sa? So, yeah, malapit na to. Spring roll na lang yung linuluto ko. Naglagay lang ako ng Lipton, tsaka hindi ako nagilamos. Pinatungan ko lang siya ng cushion. I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know, honey. They're the one watching the TV.
Yeah.
So, ayan.
No.
So far, ayan pa lang nasa mesa kasi gusto ko i-serve ko yung kaldereta tsaka spaghetti na, yung spaghetti sauce na mainit kaya wala pa dun sa table. So, tapusin ko lang tong spring roll. Lapit na, nagugas lang ako. Tingnan mo yung tatlo. Actually, sila lang talaga ang bisita ni Zach. Hi!
Hello, guys.
Are you excited for your birthday?
Yes. Look.
Even just us? I know. That's your cake. Yes.
Dad had one of them.
I know.
Kobe, how do you find the sport map?
Hi, Dad. Oh, are you happy? The birthday boy. Hot! Ikaw talaga.
Red top. Get in one.
Holly, no.
Stop laughing! Stop laughing!
Oh, yeah, because I forgot. Holly. Andito yung mga bata. Tapos na silang kumain. Yes? Hi. Hi. What's that? Benton?
Yes.
Is that the one you're supposed to get in Kmart?
Yes. No, that was a different one.
No, that was in Kmart.
No, that one has some different one. That
Ah, it's different ones, not the same.
yeah.
Okay.
No, what? This
Are you happy? Huh? Are you happy, Sophie, with that baby doll? Pakinggan nyo to, guys. Akin na. Etong, nabili namin to kahapon. Etong milk for baby. Pakinggan nyo, ha? Tingnan, may gatas na siya. Ay, hindi na umiyak. Sandali.
One winner, one loser. And with that team of weirdos backing you up, you both know who the loser is. And you'll
My dad scared me.
ask you one thing. Sure. There's no other rule.
I can see the baby in there. She's drinking all that.
Tapos na kaming kumain. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog doon. What's wrong? Kasi nahihiya ako kila mama tsaka donkey.
But
What are you eating?
Pluto.
Huh? Say puto, Zach.
Pluto.
Say pu.
Pluto.
Come on, come on. sit down.
Pluto.
Opo, 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 opo. Can you say
Pluto.
not Pluto? Pu?
Pluto.
Pu.
Pluto.
Ay, finish that first. Hindi niya ma-pronounce yung Pluto. Pluto talaga ang inaano niya. So, ano na lang, mag-blow na lang ng candle si Zach sa birthday.
Pluto.
Puto.
Pluto.
Kung narinig yung Pluto.
Pluto.
Very good. Again.
Pluto.
Not Pluto. Don't say Pluto. Say, that's right. Say Puto.
Pluto.
Puto. Like poop. hindi niya talaga ma-pronounce yung puto. Lagi niya sinasabi Pluto. So anyway, balikan ko kayo mamaya. Labas na muna tayo para naman. Kasi kanina pa ako dito. Because
Hello.
Out the way.
okay.
Kick it, go.
We take picture first. Come on, Nolly, go to daddy. Come. You're up next. Stay not there. Holly, go there. Go to Kobe. Go to Kobe. Oh. Go to.
Maybe I
Come on, sing. Ha. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sally. Go, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy, hooray! Happy, hooray! Holly, go blow Holly. Oh, how about Holly? You wanna go, Holly?
I am going.
Go, Holly, blow
Last
Holly.
time Holly touched it, remember? But
Blow, Holly.
Go, blow Holly.
Blow. Blow.
Blow. Hot, hot, blow like. Oh, go.
let me go.
Okay, go, Kuya.
No, she
Okay. Zach, you have to cut your cake, Zach. Okay? You have to cut Baba. You don't have to eat your cake. You don't.
Don't go, Mom, so that your wish comes.
What's your? You have to wish. You have to put in what is your wish?
What's that knife, Zach?
What do you like? What do you want in the future? What?
Don't tell us.
Huh? Big house. A big house. Okay, go.
Zach, you didn't want to wish your girlfriend?
Okay, that's it.
Who's your girlfriend?
Who's your girlfriend? Ah.
You're
Gordon
going
was
to wish
saying
her
that they must have mapped out the house and that.
Yeah.
He said, holy bloody
You don't
hell,"
want
he said.
this? You want
Bloody huge.
Okay. Cake, please.
Tapos na yung party. Tingnan mo si Holly. Nanonood lang siya kay Sophie.
I'm really happy, I guess.
What are you watching, Baba? Huh? No touching, okay? You just look. Sinabihan ko kasi wag niyang i-touch. Mag-watch lang siya. Ayun yung mga boys. Nakabihis na si Zach.
Is that the color boy?
Naglalaro sila ng golf.
2010.
Umalis na si Mom and Dad. Ay, nakatulog na si Holly. Kakapanood kay Sophie. Ayan siya, oh. Wawa naman. Pagod na to. Tulog ka na ba, Baba?
I'm not watching that.
Yes, she sleep. Huh?
I love you, Mom.
Naligo na
My
siya sa...
party's over.
Huh?
My party's over, Di. I love you, Mom.
I love you. Did you have fun?
Thank you for the party.
Oh, you're welcome.
I want it outside, you said.
Yeah, but we don't have much people to celebrate outside, and it's a bit freezing. It's not a bit, it's freezing outside.
Oh, they should come in the dark.
That's right, they come in the dark, and then Daddy has a golf competition. So, Kuya, you have to go to bed. You have school tomorrow. What did you get? What did you get? Show me what you got for your birthday. How about you, Kuya? You're going to bed, Kuya. Say hi, guys. The shy boy. Come on. What you got for your birthday?
From Toby.
From Kobe and Sophie. What's that? Is that a Spider-Man as well?
No.
What is?
Ben 10, look.
Huh? What you got from Daddy? Tell me what you got from Daddy.
Yeah, Mom, I done it.
What? Oh, you. What?
Pardon me some money.
How much?
$50. $50.
Oh, can I have?
Dad, I really want $50.
Can I have it? You sure? No, I'm just joking. You have to save that to buy something that you want when we go to the mount. Hoy. You have to save money. Mas marami pa siyang cash kaysa sa akin. Next year, what you gonna do for your birthday? Ang plano ko dapat nga, nasabi ko na ba, ang plano ko dapat boodle fight. Kasi mahilig siyang kumain. Zach, if you're gonna have a boodle fight, like, you know, lots of food.
Mom, do you know his name?
No.
4 arms.
Ah, 4 arms. Oh, that's why he had 4 arms. Sorry. What you gonna do next? Ang plano ko dapat sa birthday niya is magbo-boodle fight kami. Kasi mahilig naman siyang kumain. Kaso nga, gusto niya, gusto niya raw may party siya. So, wala, hindi naman plano yung handaan niya. Kasi sabi ko, ilabas ko na lang siya. Sabi niya, gusto niya mag-celebrate kay Kobe tsaka kay Sophie. Right? You want to celebrate with them?
Hey, Dad, don't read this.
Kaya, ang plan naman yung kahapon or Friday lang namin alam na maghahanda ako ng konti lang naman. Diba? Diba? Very good. Be careful ha. You might cut Daddy ha. Pinapalungan ni, tama ba? Yung kinakat ni TJ yung nails ni Jan. Bala siya masugatan siya. What else? So yun nga,
Do
boodle
you know
fight.
his name?
I know, 4 arms.
No.
Hey, Zach, what's your favorite?
No, it's Diamond Head.
Oh, Diamond Head. I have to guess. When you press, I have to guess. Okay. Yun pala yung game niya. Ano pa ba? Yun nga, dapat boodle fight yung... Oh, yeah. Boodle fight dapat yung niya, yung birthday niya, yung kakain lang kami, tapos magluto ako ng mga gusto niya. What do you wanna eat, Zach? Like Filipino food?
Toyo.
See? Kanina naghanap siya sa akin, Mom, are you gonna cook to? Isa ko hindi, no? Pag party, we don't have to cook tuyo when it's party. Because some people don't like tuyo.
Dad don't like it.
Who?
Dad.
Dad don't like what?
Toyo.
Tell them.
Disgusting.
Is it disgusting?
Yeah, Dad said.
Is it
No, Dad don't like it because it's disgusting.
for you? Is it disgusting?
No, for Dad.
How about you? What do you think of tuyo? Is it disgusting?
Yum.
Huh?
It's yummy.
It's what?
Yummy.
It's yummy.
Not for Dad.
Not for Dad, but for Mommy and Kuya TJ and you, it's
Yum.
yum. No, narinig niyo.
Dad don't like it.
Dad don't like it. So do you want me?
Toyo is the best.
Tuyo is the best. Tell them. Ask them if they eat tuyo. Guys,
Do you eat Toyo? Is it yuck?
or is it yummy?
It's yummy.
They cannot hear you again. Do you? What? Say it.
Do you like Toyo or you don't like Toyo? Do you like Toyo? Yes.
Is it yummy or?
Yummy.
It's yummy. Tuyo is the best for Zach. We're gonna have a boodle fight and then people.
Toyo.
Hey, people ask if you can learn Tagalog. Do you wanna learn Tagalog?
I can't. No. I know what voice is Tony and
Louder.
I know what rice is tiny, and egg is igloo.
Itlog. And what else? Milk is?
Doctor.
Gatas.
That's us.
So do you want to
What's
learn?
water?
Too big.
Too big.
So do you want to learn? Okay?
Bye.
Say good night na to guys. Say
Good night, Dad.
Thank you. Okay guys, I will end this vlog kasi tapos na oh. Ando na sila oh. Ayun si TJ. Oh, diba? Ayun si TJ. Nagka-cut ng nail. Huh?
Please like our channel Sky Bar. This is a bit long.
Yeah. Ayan, regalo ng daddy niya sa kanya for his birthday. Do you like it, Zach? What do you call that?
A driver.
A driver.
Well, I got that for my birthday. This is a driver. Look.
Yeah, they can see it. You don't.
Me who you see, 'cause I think